Bro!
Yeah, man.
What's good, G?
Man, I'm okay. And you?
I am good, 100%.
Yeah, but if you're 100, I'm 200. In fact, yeah, boy.
It is what it is.
Yeah, in fact, yeah, we are back.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to the XYZ Podcast.
And this is your boy Tricks in the building.
And my name is Zeus.
Yeah,
and
guys.
We are here.
I'm still pushing. Yeah.
Episode. Wow. At least, guys, thank you for allowing us to do this. I thought by now, Mfana, at least we would have had like one Moloinyana going around doing some, you know. But we are still here. We are pushing. So thanks, guys.
We are lawyering right now. Yeah.
I really thought we will be done, but yeah, we are still here.
Yeah.
We're still here. We're still doing
still
our thing.
Wow.
Everything is still still good. We're still good. But yeah, anyway, Alice is good on your side?
Yeah, but everything is okay right now. No complaints, no nothing.
November has started.
Yeah, it started. In fact, we are going to December soon. Yeah. And what's that? December, yeah. It's my birth month, in fact. Yeah, man, alright. I'm ready. I'm ready for December.
Celebrate,
You're
ready to celebrate.
Yeah.
At least.
When
festive fun. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for the festive season.
Why?
Guys. Wait, guys. I feel like it's still June, guys. So, just give me November.
Yeah.
So, November. Let's make it like this. It's November, and then about July. August, September, and then no, man.
Man.
I'm the year's ending fit.
Like you.
The year is like gone.
And if it's a fasting fit to slim say 2024, like wow. Me, I didn't see it at all. In fact, like
done.
I mean, a lot has happened. It happened in a shorter period of time. Mara is great in Victoria.
We're still here.
And we're still here and we're still blessed in Victoria. We are still blessed. So we are blessed with this podcast as well.
Yeah.
So more blessings are coming. Yeah.
True. But yeah, I think we should start. Let's start with the summers. In fact, the summers were crazy. In fact, the summers were crazy. Some artists were not happy. Some artists were happy. Some felt like Joe, mona baropile, and some were like even though I didn't get it, at least somebody got it. They deserved it. Cool. Wow. So the nominees, in fact, let me not say the nominees, the ones that I liked and, I think they were deserving were Priddy Ugly. Okay. Priddy Ugly, the best hip-hop. On the previous episode, I was like, it's my favorite album. Priddy Ugly. Yeah. Especially on the hip-hop side. So at least whoever was voting or whoever was saying, guys, you guys, Priddy deserves this and blah, 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 blah. And said, let's give it to him. You did a good job there. Yeah. I like that one. I also like Mini. Mini una change the dresses. Yes. Not like a dress in a Doja Cat, flag South Africa. And then Ibana Takanto, Tyla, inspiring Tyla. The water girl.
Tyla. I said Tyla, what? Tyla the creator.
Tyla Perry.
So what's about Tyla? I do. What's up?
And I got Tyla the water girl.
Hey, Tyla the water girl.
Tyla the hose pipe girl. Tyla the marshal, the fire marshal girl. It was a nice celebration. It was a nice celebration. By incident to Imna, dog. Like the celebration was nice. The nominations were good. and they dominate to our look into like amapiano and all that.
You know, man.
Yeah.
Okay. My piano to dominate and then I put it in the body. Congrats in fact to Priddy Ugly Mzala.
Yeah, I loved it.
But winning that award in fact to like yo. Can I nominate you on that category? Yeah.
Fine. Nilebo Kapas Boso Splata, all those guys went to buy hip hop and stuff. But I didn't even care about that. Nanik Bata felt like Priddy
Ugly.
You have won.
For me, I just wanted to like it. So yeah.
I didn't even pay attention to that. All I knew was because I think in Ilya so and this guy was like, man, I'm quitting now. I'm done with this thing. So you're gonna have this album, yeah, Dusty, here it is. I'm done.
So
if I get the nominations, sharp, fine. But I'm done.
So do you think no, I don't want to quit anymore after
he would.
No,
he
like
would.
That thing he will always so he would.
He would.
You're not like
I'm not sure.
He's not going. I'm not sure.
Because Leno he's not happy about this hip hop industry. So I am fine. I'm not sure. I don't want to lie.
For me, for you know, I want to quit. Like I'm quitting. I do die. You can't even do it. I'm quitting. Listen to it. Don't all that. I got to quit.
Nah, guys, I'm good. I'm fine.
Like after the album later collaborations and the told us I really was killing them to like you. It's what I like to kill and to no kina guaya ketela ba more fasting. Kina guaya ketela but yeah Petra. But feel like he disappointed. He's saying he's quitting hip hop and all that. But yeah, for me, after winning this award, I don't think he's gonna quit.
It's just a sum of it. How do you nominate you for like a BET?
So how do you
then you don't be different.
And they are those our ceremony still we don't know what is going to happen in fact. So let's say okay, he's been nominated the BET. So
because when you get a Grammy for that's something different. That's different. Maria Sama on that podium.
Sama is our South African platform. It's not like country. So like woman to our platform South Africa.
True.
So
and the biggest one.
The biggest one. Yeah. So that's why I believe he can say, you know what, I don't want to quit anymore because you get the biggest thing I want to. So for you to be recognized, before so if one answer put more effort to the work that he's doing, answer put more effort to his work, but putting it like the way he's putting it right now. When I go to the point
like tweets I think at the BET. I'm not sure if some people saw it.
Yeah.
But there was an award long life achievement.
Yeah, long life achievement, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, in Rebecca and the minister.
Yeah.
So now, I get what they given this words of Badi Buera. And then since Rebecca, I'm not sure whether Nasat is what. Hey! Yo, that was awkward to see him for. Yeah. So I think she read like 2 or 3 words. That's whole.
Yeah.
And then she was like, I need a minister. I need Guys, let's go to school. This is serious.
hear voices in my head.
Let me just a dream.
Fuck. What have I done lately?
What have I done?
What have I done?
What have I done lately? What have I done?
What have I done?
What have I done lately? What have I done?
What have I done?
What have I done lately? What have I done?
Yeah, dog. Ish. Yeah, I'm not trying to ridicule.
You already did. You
But
already did, my guy.
It happened.
So this is Rebecca. This guy's naughty.
Yeah, that was
This
funny
guy
as hell.
is very naughty. Naughty, this guy. But yeah. Woo!
That was fun.
I
I loved it.
I
get minister. Yo! That was cool as hell, bro. That was cool.
I need to start.
Yo, minister Minister Polo teleprompter. Wow, no, English.
I need to minister. Yeah?
And he was like, yeah. And I can see you looking very good with your nice dress. And I was like, cover up already. Says Rebecca is not reading the teleprompter.
SouthAfrica, we are living a move in faith, right? We are living a
move.
But yeah, I'm faith to like, yeah.
I love that part.
Yeah.
But anyway,
let's go. Yeah.
Fair to, we received some news this week, to Quincy Jones. Quincy passed away. The legendary producer, collaborator with Michael Jackson. I go Quincy Jones, if fella since the librarian girl, like a killer. Passed away in faith to the age of 91. I mean, who gets to that age in fun? Yo, that is amazing. But yeah. Oh man.
I don't want to get on that age. I don't feel like my 50. Mzala ngane lumdimu awungithathi. Angithi ngifuna uNkulunkulu angithi. Angithi uNkulunkulu.
So palama kolo ya Elia.
Angithi God uyangithatha.
50.
We 50 phela angithi.
Namfana batla palama kolo ya Elia at least kabo.
What age mfethu?
207 era.
Man, just kama sokuthina nalabana zethu.
Hey mona sekulebona
yo. Dude. Hey. I'm not saying like at 50 I can't tell I don't want to be here. But Mzala, Boma 15 I have lived in like dude. You're like to reach Boma 60, Boma 70.
Yeah.
Okay. Give me 60.
Still not enough, dog.
I will be grateful for it. But when I did now, so don't show them make it 2 years ago to Kupa 20 piece.
Yes. Wipe.
I want to go to the toilet.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I'm going to shake number 2.
Was the going on with death at a funeral?
Dude, yeah.
Governor is a deal. Well, I'm Munana. I'm a Paramakum. Is it on my face? But
man, dude.
Yeah, that is what I want.
So you want me? I mean, I don't want to get in that aging video.
I'm too old for this shit. No. I'm too young for this. Let's go.
About do
life. You wanna? Okay, and I wanna know about Bapa. Since you wanna take a first note. Since you shop a first note.
I'm okay, but 50, 60, like yeah, I'm Nkulunkulu ngithi you can take me then. Yo, you try it. Rebecca Batawe. Barusu.
So yeah.
Yeah, with 15 for the we try to do 91 is a blessing.
Yeah, that guy. Like a legend like that lived so many years. Like this guy has 70 years of industry work. So that's like crazy, mfana. Because how not a lot of like artists but fit in that age, and then they just dominant. Like but you like, oh man, you did this song, widespread this song. You're like,
yeah,
oh my god, Gena, I've been listening to this song. I grew up. Got this song, and I didn't even know this guy made that song until. So yeah, I was a little bit sad with the news, but then what can we do with it? I mean, like, it's life. It's part of life.
Condolences to the family. Mr. Jones, you lived your life, and yo, Mzala. I'm not working with Michael Jackson. You do it.
Michael Jackson.
Bawuthola he baby bawusiye he
mfana
mfethu like you
yena ntsalmonza
yena
batopala makolo ya ile mfethu
because kinana nantsa spana even like nana sa tsufiso kwa 70 years of like
70 years of like being in the industry doing work
for using making beats like
hopela lo honto album nya The Weeknd. There's a song there, A Tale by Quincy. There's a song, the album is like high tempo, high cal. Imun. Getting the moon for nama billions for Saimale Moholo that it's blue and stuff. The cover is like blue and stuff.
Yeah.
And then it's like high tempo. I feel A Tale by Quincy. Ne?
Yeah.
It's now slower. This is a different producer, so I'm thinking maybe Kim Fana have some advice or no, do an album like this and this and this and this, which is cool. I mean, Tono kwa Bo Michael Jackson, and he was advising The Weeknd, and I about The Weeknd is like the biggest artist on Jinan.
Yeah.
Kena number 1, Mamelo Ankara Fatika fella on Spotify. Number 1.
Serious?
Number 1. Yeah.
I didn't know.
Ufitile bo Drake, bo Kendrick, Tay.
Yeah.
Tay Khalamo Fiti. And then I think like it's like 2 or 3 years answer dominator like that.
Yeah.
2 or 3 years answer dominator everybody.
Oh, I come to Mamela, I can Mamela.
No, I can Mamela do stats because you like a Spotify.
Yeah.
You check out okay, who's number 1, who's number 2, who's number 3, and you can check out okay, if this person is like number 1 or number 2, why?
Yeah.
Why? Why are you number 1? Why are you number 2? Why are you number 3? Getting quality on a that everybody's is lacking up, is trying to get it's trying to how. But yeah, rest in peace, Mr. Sir. Let's say Sir Quincy Jones.
I hear more those people who work in Halabe's music, but the professor. All the time ask myself, how professor you are professor in music?
Manalen token. Let's Rebecca dog.
I need
dog.
Yeah, dog. Tamana, professor, doctors. So,
hallelujah.
Yo. So yeah, Dr. Jones, may your soul rest in peace. Yeah.
We appreciate the work you left for us on this planet, on this dirty ass planet.
Like Michael Jackson, yo.
Plus, it's a librarian girl and some put even Tupac went there. Do. And I came Pinayo until end of time. Yeah, until the end of time, it's some put from a song, librarian girl. So yeah, go and check it out. And then you will tell us, Oguti, how good was this guy? This guy was very good, guys.
I feel like in 900.
Mtona Spanale the Beatles also. He used to work with the Beatles and stuff. The
Beatles.
The Beatles, in fact. So this guy, what gonna generations thing at you. I know the Beatles, I think, also it's about for very fair. It's like Paul McCartney, Ringo Starr. So those are the two basalleting. The other two, John Lennon or Oplala two.
Yeah, you're two.
And then the other one ola hloka like cancer. So it's crazy, but yeah, it's been a very good journey for him, and we appreciate his work. May his soul rest in peace. And yeah, thank you. Did you see the album Yanto? Yeah, DIY ne? Yeah, Frank.
Even though I don't want to like say my mail, but I want to listen to it. You before Katala Bill. Oh, Katala Bill is statement. I want you to finish your statement.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, DIY.
Yeah.
Emtee. And then by design.
Yeah.
The previous episode. By design and Frank Casino. So what I said was the album. Yeah, DIY. I'm not gonna listen to it because blah blah blah. You know it's not gonna be good and all that blah blah blah. Okay, sharp, cunt. And then it dropped.
Yeah, it dropped.
It dropped the same day I dropped that
episode. Yeah.
And guess what? I listened to it because people were gonna be like, "You didn't listen to it? Okay, sharp, cool." I listened to it.
I might already said it. Yeah.
So I was like, let me listen to it. And then I listened to it.
Still fun.
Aye. Didn't like it.
It's a total boss for you.
I only liked Believer. But the rest of the album, Linto, quality, the quality of that whole album, it was all over the place. I know I don't even know how to master the masters of the masters of the masters.
I master really,
but then a dog.
Nah, dude. For he doesn't master himself. I give you bebadi.
We send it to somebody. Even in totals, you don't have to send it out.
You don't have to usually pay even though I'm not mastering dude, we know the nigga doesn't master for himself, so you can't judge yourself about the masters and all that. Come on. Dude, if you didn't like it, you didn't like it. So for now, and so I give my man, I don't want to lie. I want to listen to it. I'm rather empty.
Yes.
But I've told you to album is had it found out that I still love one now. So yeah. And nobody can judge me about how we album if so when I simple feel like not into working. I feel like it's now when I listen
to the new one.
But anyway, I still want to give it a chance to give my mail a good glory because I've given others chances. No, Hadi, for me. So yeah, not for other people, only for me. So whoever's gonna say, when I saw this, dude, every person who
that's on you,
it's opinion, and I don't care about it.
There's a comment section there. Comment. Do your best.
So yeah, no, it's okay, but I'm going to truly speaking. You know what?
Even just responding.
Let me go get my mail. But anyway, that thing I'll get my mail, but I'm still not sure when. Okay. So yeah.
I not like my mail the same day. I was like, okay, let me just give him, a chance. And then I was like, it go 5 out of 5. I would give it 2.5.
I would be honest. No, I know not that.
2.5 because I know now. But did you listen to that? But did you hear that?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna say 2.5.
For me, when you work at the DIY album, you pull out the comments as still working we received. Kind of go. Yo, I since the rest of podcasting, there was the first time Mickey gave my mela mutua personal when it comes to everything like that. People were like
I'm
personal. But every person has his own opinions on things. If you don't like the nigga, you don't like the nigga. If you don't love his music, you don't love his music. So yeah, if let's say you're going to I will remember Zeus alone. Like Zeus now, they came in all like, bruh, we listen to your Zeus. So what the fuck? Yeah, we're gonna listen to him every day.
I was like, thank you. At least somebody is like commenting.
Yeah, I'm very like,
he's there like motivated to make us laugh.
Yeah,
Emtee. And I was like,
for me, it wasn't about that. For me, it was like,
my brother, who are you? I know you, man.
For me, man, it was like,
okay, cool.
That means we are getting somewhere. People are now commenting. Not only people that come that we know, like people out there.
Outside.
So yeah. Thank you for commenting, and please keep on commenting. We really appreciate it.
It's gonna be there like, you guys don't understand.
Nah, man, we do understand. You
don't see the vision of Emtee.
You have your own opinions, and we don't disrespect them. So whatever that you feel about Emtee, man, keep your own problem. Now, for whatever that you feel, we're okay with it. So yeah, but yeah, I
gave him 2.5.
Now, so my mail, so I can't read it because I'm not sure I want to listen to it.
2.5 for me, my brother.
So yeah,
by design, okay, my mate, it's nice. The quality is good. Maybe I still understand the
concept, Kappa.
No, I still understand the Frank, but okay. I like the guy. He's different. He's but maybe musically, I can understand. Like the guy said, I don't understand.
For now, like
Emtee. So yeah, man. Frank by design, I would give it a 3. A 3
over 5.
Yeah.
A
3 because. There were no songs that I was like, skip.
No, I remember.
I listened to the whole album. Emtee, I was like, okay, this is good, but skip. And I was like, okay, this one, okay, skip. But this one, by design. Yeah, I think he put more effort into it. He put more emphasis on and stuff like that. Even the cover, it's very nice. So,
guys,
by design,
even Emtee also we feel ilole moya le ka ofela bujohle ba hae so de wo bua ngate wo ba personal but
when something is not good, it's not good.
My nigga. So yeah,
if you take it personally, it's your business.
At this one when I give my mates, I won't lie. That one and told myself, you know what, I'm gonna listen to it. Like because it's been a while. Like something. So yeah. For me, like out of 10, I want to rate out of 10.
No, 5. Out of 5.
Oh, it's a rate of 5. So yeah, with my 5, I will give it 3.5.
Got no reason. She's got a face laughing your problems. Think about her when your problems. Think about a mom and your problems. Bewitching co-workers and your problems. Better guys making moves on her every day, and she looks away, feelings of a crush like every day. And everywhere she goes is a reminder of you every day. And anywhere you think of it, you can't replace the pain away. The love she felt for you is heavyweight. I might have said the distance was a crime, but you never wait in any way. If she made it to you, you would've stayed. Look, you broke today, you wasted time for 7 days. But anyway, she will love you, no problem. Be the bigger man, no problem. Got this figured out, no problem. Think about the future like no problem. Yeah. It doesn't matter what they say, girl, put your head high.
Yeah, we're back from the advert. All right, if it...
What's up?
Jacob Zuma is back. Oh, I'm sorry. Donald Trump is back, in fact. Yeah, yeah, Donald Trump is back, in fact. The elections started on the 5th of November.
And what rule I'm Sholozi?
In fact, Sholozi is taking everything,
I'm Sholozi, in fact, right?
Taking every vote out there.
I'm taking it all. And everything is all mine.
Fun. Everybody's like, Kamala Harris Aboni fuck all, in fact. And everybody's like, yeah, man, Trump is gonna fix the world. Trump is gonna do this. Trump is gonna do that.
People from where?
From America, yeah. It's gonna make America great again.
Kona babona, kana basa go. Hey, I don't want to talk about it in video.
He's gonna make America great again.
Which way? Yeah, I saw when we hear that the first time anally on the chair.
But this time,
yeah,
he's gonna make America great again.
I'm gonna even nothing is gonna happen. It will whatever
ever since he's on another level now.
It's a poor thought in Kabu was in look at someone Nansa Shasha. Abu Naba Shasha Kapu. Our Shasha.
It's gonna be good in the office this time. He's gonna do the best.
No clue my hey into Fubkana, Billionaire, Sekana, Ori, Battle Fava to us Spani. I don't care. I don't tell I tell them at about 350. Dimasho.
Okay. But I was thinking my 1 point, Mama. I got 350. 350.
I got down.
But I increase 20 rand.
20 rand. No. Only 20 rand.
Him and I want to perfect guy. Yo. I start working White Star. White Star is too much. Too much. Mama Temba.
I did yo.
A whole plan in the blue. Ki blue what? I say born you. But you know blue what I think ninga in a move. Yo!
So guys, so I got them for too late. I'm final still come with his empty promises again. I already see empty promises all over again. You can't even to multiply the empty promises at the past, and you think now in the future is gonna be like, you know what? I'm gonna change this and this and this. I've learned from 1, 2, 3.
From my mistakes.
From in.
You know what? Being missed with a bullet on the head and it hit in my ear. I feel like I can do better.
Come on.
Now I have Jesus calling my name in this ear. He tells me what I need to do. And then I'm fun. We'll see. And you know what?
Yeah, bro.
Because, imagine this. This is the biggest country in the world.
America.
Yo, bruh. This is the guy, I think, will build at a wall.
Dude.
Yo.
Sensible. It wasn't yet built.
But I'm like, you know what's on you.
I'm afraid
I
it they were not in the process of building it, like at all.
I think when on a name move, there was a movie in the
like in fact to buy in like serious. Okay.
Then they were never gonna implement. That is a dumbest law.
How now to implement the happen?
He's gonna do so. That guy has an antenna now. Sanal antenna, that man. The ear is now getting good information now. The policies that Chalankara that ear are very good.
But you don't know Trump.
No, Trump. Don't do
this. One
don't
is not good.
No, you
let's come with a bigger plan. Like
now you're thinking nonsense.
All right.
Dump it. Can I now get into an issue of like he's a different person now?
Yeah.
I don't even think he is a different person now. I think and now they're surfacing because when I live video I'm gonna give you the loop. Trump dog. No. No.
Cancer.
No.
I did.
No, Donald Trump is actually black. No, I'm just kidding. No, and there's this guy Anna Buakore. He was looking at everything at Trump I face and everything. And whatever he says, ne Ankam video and then they edit it, ne? And then to make him sound like he was saying something different, whereas he was actually saying something this way. Just like you remember those Illuminati videos, whereas Mama, hey, I watched it. I was watching that shit. Whereas somebody was saying, I am not a Christian by heart. I am a Christian by heart. Oh my God, we love this guy. Until the guy was actually saying, I am not a Christian by heart. So, yeah, they were like, when I watched like full videos done to that Trump, that's when I realized like, okay, he's actually he's saying things that could actually benefit both the white and the black community and the Hispanics and the Mexican community, all of those guys. It's just that he doesn't like policies they make nonsense. So now he has nonsense shit.
Thank you very much. I just want to do
but then when I Emtee, he points them out. That's a Democrat. And he's a Republican. So the Democrats, what he pointed out, how he pointed out, he points out those points. Then I started the Republicans, but and if Bona feel like they're not actually like smart ideas, but pick out it's all not fair. And then they spread them out throughout social media and everything, and it makes him look like an idiot. And then he's not. Hagen and Sigmabella is like, this nigga is actually smart.
He is smart.
But the way he's portrayed, he looks like an idiot. He looks like he's not that smart.
Like, total. So now whatever right now how whatever your way corner is on that whatever if you wish ability.
No, like that's what I'm saying. Whatever is Alankara states, it's on us whether we believe it or not, because I feel like the whole country like you might think Tom Cruise again is and these standards are high, and That's been the picture.
Yeah, I don't want to
Tom Cruise.
again.
Why I told and Rona tla believe that shit. And then Obota, come 5 years ago, Obota story sorry. Nah, that guy didn't make none of his stunts. And then after a while, they will go I even West Bona ya Didi. We thought Didi is a guy. He treated Justin Bieber well. He treated all those guys well.
Yeah.
But then he's surviving Didi now. He's surviving Didi.
We will not know. What if, Fate? What if? Whatever that you are saying to me right now. Oh, hey, Mzala, they are painting him. 3, 4, 5, 6, 10.
It's also a painting.
Yeah, they are cooking. The real thing. It's a halang. Come on, the real one. Kan is the painty thing.
Librarian girl. Ice. I'm gonna miss that guy. I'm gonna miss. Ish. Akhalaba since ever produce opolo no lehodimong so na le Quincy Jones, the greatest producer of all time. Na le Michael Jackson. Na le Tupac. Woo. Mfan. I ought to say wayo. Tupac and Tubalolwansa, the Quincy Jones. They're gonna fight. Hey man. All plans on color. Hey man. All plans on color. Some put the pinea dog. And then finance I'm just man, I didn't even know but what release those songs, you know. Didn't know. I died before that. I see my success. Finance you were successful. You were the biggest rapper in history. Even now.
Even on a chain, I generation generation Nanta.
Yo, Sala Tupa Fair. Come for now. Wabana that remix in the link. Anthony Hamilton.
Yeah,
dear mom. Dear mama.
Yeah, that's one.
Guys, we lost legends, but it's okay. It's okay. Mr. Jacob Zuma. Donald Trump, Donald Trump on fit. And the one person, Elorin King, even on Twitter, because their money tweets are high, they show up first. Like if Elon a poster right now, his post no matter who follow we up how mo follow
on Twitter
fella, yeah, like he is, yeah, so I was like, okay, the guy on answer abua how much he supports and like everything Donald Trump, and he was willing every day from his own money. Every day until 1 million to any voter. I feel like why deserve and register really or a vote this November. So that man on attempt almost everybody or sign up by register so that they can vote. Whatever vote Harris or Trump, it doesn't matter. Yeah, now na battle so now it paid off because now I'm finding out how he's winning.
Wait.
And Donald is like,
wait, my brother.
Okay.
Put the
information in that too much.
Like the information I get it. Like no, like like Harry and Fana wasn't he like supporting? I supporting Fana. Musk
is supported Trump.
So Harry and Jack.
So what is saying?
No matter like say, let him to Tosana hand MacG to the nigger, the guy. Excuse so that you work a nigger little and when I call a white person a nigger. The guy in Vetu. Nasa Harry. You know what, Yosi? Yes, me Tamped. Harry Robotella Trump. And then me take wow. I don't mind. Not straight out. So you see, in fact, now, in fact, Trump. Here's the meter, it's yours.
Morocco,
where you gonna live it?
We work like 1%.
Hey, even on 1%.
Every day.
Each and every day.
Every day.
Hey.
I'm not 1% every day in front of it.
One vote makes a difference.
It's a motivator. Those who see.
One vote makes a difference.
When I like
mshika no day nayihlaka sana unana uyalekisaba utho mshika utenda yo mfethu
it's so deep.
The bribe nyana jena it was there yo when we talk about politics mzala we know that bribe is inayikhona kaka di politics. So yeah, nashapaka mshika. I was just like, hey, masking na.
It paid off.
I have a meter. You know what? I'm gonna give you a meter, and in fact, you're gonna vote for Trump.
It paid off.
Yeah, it did. In fact, I don't wanna lie. Like it did.
Because like a sitinyana gara the parliament. Gara the White House.
A seat on the parliament, they got the White House and all that. He wasn't like bribing people who voted.
Whether it's a bribe or what, it's allegedly. Allegedly, guys.
Sorry, but okay.
Now what I can say is that the politics are actually like one of those things that we know is just fucked up. Right? Like totally fucked up. I guess whether we should go back to like the royalties and stuff, like we spoke about royal king, the queen, royal families and stuff like that. Kapa. Barfe like 3 or 4 or 5 yees. Just not president.
Don't bring it to South-Africa.
What I'm thinking is like, hey guys, we need a break. I think I've heard this from Cat Williams in sitcom. Not even a sitcom, it was a stand-up comedy. Even you know how break up a girlfriend, ne? When you break up with a girlfriend, whatever situation in you don't just jump into another relationship with another. Hey, you take time to go reflect. That one didn't work as well. So, Loron, as a country, let's just like take a break and be like, okay, we don't need any more presidents in Zimbabwe. Let's just take time off, and then maybe next year we'll appoint somebody.
Next year.
I'm
disagreeing with you. When it comes to relationships, this generation, generation, I'm at 2K and all that.
Yeah.
In fact, I always especially I'm at 2K. In fact, those kids, no matter what, you are not no to I get a purpose and in fact to find another chick or another guy. That's why don't get so just next of
that's why I wanna the teenage pregnancy that's why I didn't do the bangata. That's because you don't want to do the next year. Link a break.
So for me I don't see
another president.
For me, I don't see it's gonna work when it comes to politics. Dude, Mrena Musho here no register Betleme. You know Betleme ke party ya Lesotho. You know it.
Every time I go back, I
sometimes in fact we have to be realistic. Like that is the truth in fact. But anyway, una le mshika o etsa hetse but katleletse ba rekise party nngwe working here phela ngo yona right now. So ha ga da be re tlamele re nke mo mana ko e kae la ntse re tlo nka nako e kae re tlo fa morena mamang stulo re fa morena Mofokeng a fa morena Mokwena. Those niggas still gonna make the mistakes tse sale di etsuwa ka for nka next day ha fihla a tla ka energy o tla ka energy le go go king. The moment you get the money and you get the power controls you and the power get in your head and you feel to everything while laugh happy
like guys.
Yeah,
I thought I wanted guys to like you guys to have education. Magalbale education lampape. No schools.
Just imagine. Just imagine. So don't get us too.
Just imagine that shit, bro.
But yeah, anyway, yeah. Let's talk about this one. The Saudi, what, snow and all this. Saudi Arabian snow. Just like that. Like, yeah, what is happening?
Desert.
Yeah.
Desert, equator.
Yeah.
Like, I've experienced that situation. Like, snow.
Like,
for real.
Like, yeah. Amen.
Yeah, dog. Saudi's first snowfall.
Yeah.
In history.
What you saying? This is the first time, like,
it is the first time
getting snow.
Yeah, because again, it's near the equator. It's always hot as hell.
Yeah.
Right. So it's crazy that Banibanale snow.
Yeah.
Right. So I'm thinking maybe it's climate change, if it's global warming, because but they were warned about this global warming thing and stuff like that. But then nobody listens. Not that fact that nobody listens. It's just that if I'm saving electricity in my own house, my key's not doing the same thing. And my key after, and my key after, and my key after. It kind of doesn't motivate you to keep doing that all the time.
Yeah.
Right? Like when now you're not using your generator, you're not doing, blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
And then my key can't cut but waste me. See, they're doing all those things. You guys, but TV, you tell us to do.
Yeah, true that.
Then I'm not gonna even do that anymore. Right? Especially in Kasi, man. If tomorrow somebody wants to like pull out a pool party, they're gonna do it. They're gonna be like, hey man, I pay for water. I pay for water. I paid for this space because it's my house.
Yeah.
Yeah. How I use that water.
It's my
business. It's none of your business. Right? And then how many people I've sorry. How many people I invite to that situation? Yeah. That is my business, not anybody else's business. But then Sizotini thought, well, it is what it is.
Yeah,
it is what it is. Yeah. Maria, there's an interesting thing in Ikbatlawe Balahi, ne.
How about what?
Cassper Nyovest.
Okay.
So Cassper Nyovest, he was talking about the Song of the Year thing with the summers. So he said Tyla because she had
let me see
the biggest song of the year, like Water. Obviously Water in it's a whole bunch of BS. Water was everywhere. It won the awards at MTV, Grammy, it won the Linto, SAMA, yeah. But it won a lot of international awards. So now when we come to South Africa and then the biggest song.
You win the Grammy.
You win the Grammy, yeah. So now to like the summers and then Mthandeni SK. he was like, nah, man, you don't deserve that award, Amo. So now he posted something like, Mthandeni SK, I'm sorry you felt offended by my comments that Tyla had a bigger song and deserved Song of the Year. Ne? I never meant any disrespect or malice. I'm not the type to act hard. The tough guy act isn't in me at all. But I do like to box.
So
this guy. So if you wanna take it there,
okay,
we can definitely go there.
So personal,
yeah, this guy. I love Cassper Nyovest. This guy is cool, bro. This guy is very cool. I'ma like this post. I'ma laugh on it actually.
Just imagine him just offending a person afterwards you see so and again so promise a tuba all of a sudden in
box.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, what if we fetch you not about box? Some repeat I'm calling yo, dude. Hi.
I'm a it's a power move. It's like a money grab.
Yeah.
So Nahana, the guy I winning Summer Song of the Year versus Cassper Nyovest boxing match. And the baby is officially and all that. That is like Mfana is always thinking about this. What could make money? So it's a very good move when he's doing well for himself.
Hi.
Like that.
Imagine if
I'm sorry that I offended you. I'm sorry that I offended you. It's okay. But if you feel like then the door is open. I'm not the type where I act as if I'm hard, the tough guy. But hey, if you want to like test your might, then fight. Hey Cassper.
Apparently I need to couple fight to Cassper. What did one if I'm for do I will in them for the competitive exhibition is how really I mean
but Mrs. Canto Sky high in the
no, not like that. This is high. Sky is a very
pretty Wednesday.
Ah, you guys are going to boxing.
He was there like
I was just asking I just want to test to and see kids about boxing. I just wanted to get born like SNL cast, like yeah, we do. Like okay, I can get in a ring lane and all that. You come to my guys.
Yeah. Was I have funny bit like blue eyes?
Sure.
I can't see shit, dog. Let's continue.
I just wanted like what compare exhibition. Yo, from the first time I color this film, you are one in the team fit. You I don't want to lie. It's like big guy. Link was not papi. Every time to the post some fan out, not to contact you. I'm gonna go film fan out. You're not I'm taking to walk out that time. You what is guy? You get a fan like you, like a bat. Like you show look at people. Give me that fight that you are. I just want to like bubble.
What's gonna happen?
Yeah, like I'm fit to have a cast magazine. How is in including out the Zogas and Shelter. My fit is got to Sugar and one about to fell out of the blue. Just
one number two was offended.
He was offended himself. So you are coming right now to have my skis. Yeah, Maragata so the skis are Boyaga ring.
I deserve Song of the Year. I got on just I may what a kumuri. Yo, I like that type of behavior.
Just some of the Yaga South African.
Yes,
so people understand. So high. If you buy a deal, never saw to water make me sweat. They wanted them for now. So
like, what song are you getting better alone? You guys, but yeah. What I can say is that it is what it is.
Hey,
and we have talked about a lot of stuff. Rest in peace, Mr. Quincy Jones.
Yeah, man. Condolences to the family.
Americans, good luck with your new president, Donald Trump. Jacob Zuma. Donald Trump. You understand.
Saudi Arabia, we hope, guys, you are not cold because Ali. So you don't know this kind of weather.
You don't know. I snow you.
And big up to everyone. Like, yo, guys, thank you for your support. Like, thank you. Keep on supporting us.
Keep on
commenting also. Tell us how do you feel about our work.
And then
what do you want us to do better, and what do you guys want us to give you for content. We really appreciate it. So a lot. So Ntana, another something that you want to say?
Nah, from me.
Okay.
Mr. Zeus, I'm saying.
And your boy Tweaks. Bye-bye. So guys, peace out.
It is what it is.
Yeah, man.
9-9.